Hello student, today we are going to learn new topic which is Venn diagram, chapter number 10 of the aptitude Venn diagram. Okay, so this what is the Venn diagram? Venn diagram किसको बोलते हैं? It is a circular representation of the items. That means कि कोई हमारे पास जो आइटम्स है दो या फिर तीन डन, तो उसको उसके बीच में क्या रिलेशन हो सकता है. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट द रिलेशन कि दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं या फिर दो थिंग्स है उसके बीच में या फिर दो से ज़्यादा थिंग्स है. सो हाउ कैन वी को रिलेट देम विथ ईच अदर. देन सो विल ड्रॉ द सर्कल फॉर दैट. देर इज़ वन ओनली बेसिक रूल विच इज़ दैट कि क्वेश्चन में आपको जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं दैट मैनी ऑफ सर्कल यू नीड टू ड्रॉ, उतने ही आपको सर्कल ड्रॉ करने हैं, उससे कम भी नहीं एंड उससे ज़्यादा भी नहीं. Okay, so let's start the chapter number 10, Venn diagram. Okay, so on that one, first question. Okay, so the question is given like that. You have to select. Objective questions are there कि appropriate option कौन सा होगा for the best one. Then so that option you have to select. Okay, so first question is like chapter number 10, Venn diagram. Okay, so the first question is like India, Lucknow and Allahabad. Okay, so the question is like India, Lucknow and Allahabad. So उसमें आपको नीचे options दिए हैं. See, as I said, the rule for the Venn diagram, जितने भी आपको objects या फिर जहाँ नाम दिए हैं उतने आपको circle draw करने पड़ेंगे. So 1 2 3 3 names are there. So options में तीन circles वाले ही सारे होंगे, right? Okay, now how can we correlate them each other? See, as per that, India is the country and Lucknow is the city and Allahabad is also the city. Then, but how can we correlate them with the India? Lucknow and Allahabad both are in India. Then, so if we draw for the India like one circle for the India, then just like that. So we can include the Lucknow and Allahabad in this one. So as per that, this is the India. We can include Lucknow and Allahabad. So this one is the Lucknow and this one is Allahabad. Right? Then because both cities are in India. Then so for the first one, the answer is option number D. Okay. Okay. Now second one, man, doctor and woman. Second question is man, doctor and woman. Okay. So for that one, appropriate जो options दिए उसमें से जो आंसर आ सकता है, it is the we can say that, let's talk about that just like if we draw like that, then this is for the doctor. Now सारे के सारे मैन तो डॉक्टर हो नहीं सकते, so we will take this portion. That means ये मैन है और इनमें से जो ये वाले जो इंटरसेक्शन वाले मैन्स है, they are the doctors. Now let's take for the woman, same which for the woman are also same. Then these are the women's and out of them this much are the doctors. Then so second option is C is the answer. Okay, next third one. Third one question is like animal, humans and trees. So animal, human and trees. So out of the option, as if you see the options, then as per the option we cannot correlate them any of them each other, because all the things are different only. So for that one the answer would be C. All three are different, right? So we'll separate it. Okay, next, fourth one, city, India and moon. Okay, now this is as like the first one only. ये फर्स्ट वन के जैसा ही है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ओके, इंडिया और मून को हम दोनों को रिलेट नहीं कर सकते. ऑब्वियसली सिटी को भी हम मून के साथ को रिलेट नहीं कर सकते. सो फॉर दैट इफ यू राइट लाइक दैट दिस इज द इंडिया. नाउ दिस वन इज फॉर द सिटी. दोज आर, यहाँ पे जो इंटरसेक्शन हो रहे हैं इसके साथ जो मिक्स हो रहे हैं. As I write, this is the India. This one is for the cities. Now I cannot say that कि सारी की सारी जो cities है वो इंडिया में ही है. Then दूसरे countries में भी है. Then okay. And I cannot say that in India there are only cities. Villages भी है. So ये खाली space उसके लिए है और ये खाली space उन cities के लिए जो दूसरी countries में. Right? Okay. Now this is the relation between the cities and India. Now as per that, moon is all the way different from them. Then so for that one the option B is the appropriate option for that. Then B1. Okay, next question number 5. Cat, dogs and pet. Okay, so in this one appropriate options are like that. For the pet, that means if we consider about just a pet, then some of the people will take the pet as a dog. Means कुछ को dog पसंद होते हैं as a pet, right? And some of them will like cat as a pet. Then so बाकी वाला जो है, means यहाँ पर if you take that red one, तो ये जो red one circle है, this is for the dog. This blue one is for the cat and that black one is for the pets. Then so we are just considering over here for the pets only. Then for all the pets, then तो सारे के सारे pets होंगे, वो सारे के सारे dogs और cats तो हो नहीं सकती. जो ये जो खाली जगह बची है, this is for the other animals, right? Okay, so for that one the option B will be appropriate. Okay, now question number 6. Mangoes, grapes and pears. Okay, so all are the fruits, but we cannot correlate each of them then, because mangoes are also different, mangoes also different and pears are also different. So यहाँ पे fruits दिया नहीं, otherwise हम fruits में इन तीनों को ले सकते हैं, but all are the different fruits. That's it, only one relation we have. So our answer is somewhat like that, which is C1. Okay, next question number 7. Thieves, judges and criminals. So the question is given like the thieves, judge and criminals. Then so as per that, judge तो इन दोनों में से दोनों को हम relate नहीं कर सकते, right? So if we correlate, then thieves, then all the thieves are not criminals. Then सारे के सारे thieves जो है वो criminals नहीं हो सकते, और ना ही सारे के सारे criminals जो है वो thieves हो सकते हैं. Then सारे के सारे criminals चोर हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. So for that one, option B will be appropriate, like this and this different one is for the judge. Then ये जो रेड वाला सर्कल है इज फॉर द जज, दैट मीन्स द जजेस आर डिफरेंट, मीन्स वो इन दोनों से अलग है. ऑल द थीव्स आर नॉट क्रिमिनल एंड ऑल द क्रिमिनल्स आर नॉट जज. तो ये वो वाले थीव्स है यहाँ पर जो दिए वो थीफ मीन्स क्रिमिनल्स नहीं है, एंड यहाँ पर जो दिए वो वाले क्रिमिनल्स है वो जो थीफ नहीं है. और इसके बीच में जो है तेजा डॉट मीन्स ये वो वाले थीफ है जो क्रिमिनल है, डन, और ये वो वाला क्रिमिनल है वो जो थीफ है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. ओके, नेक्स्ट 8th वन, weapons, tools and buildings. Okay, so for this one we can say that कि tools के अंदर weapons आ सकते हैं. Then we can say that कि weapons we can include it in the tools. So if we draw this one for the tools, then in this one we can include the tool weapons like that. But in the tools we cannot include the building, right? So we have to draw the building separately. Okay, so it is the best appropriate option, option number C. Okay. Okay, now let me erase this so we can move further. Okay, next question number 9. Question number 9 is like teenagers, students and principals. Okay. So as per that, for the teenagers, we can say teenagers किसको बोलते हैं, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो, then it's about 10 years or maximum to means less than 18 years के होते हैं, उसको teenagers में include कर सकते हैं. Now students and principals. ओके, सो प्रिंसिपल को हम इन दोनों से रिलेट नहीं कर सकते, देन बिकॉज स्टूडेंट अगर है देन वो प्रिंसिपल नहीं हो सकता, और अगर प्रिंसिपल है देन इट कैन नॉट बी स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो प्रिंसिपल को हम को रिलेट नहीं कर सकते नाउ, बट वी कैन को रिलेट टीनेजर एंड स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? इफ वी ड्रॉ दिस इज फॉर द टीनेजर्स, देन वी कैन इंक्लूड दिस वन फॉर द students. Why I draw both are separately? But because all the teenagers are not students. Then सारे के सारे जो teenagers है वो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सारे के सारे students ही हो, कुछ कुछ नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. And all the students are not teenagers. कुछ कुछ उससे भी छोटे होते हैं and कुछ कुछ बड़े होते हैं. Then so this is for that one. And for the principal we have to draw the separate circle like that. Then so best appropriate option is option number C. Okay, next question number 10. Pens, pencils and paper. Okay, so how can we relate this one, pen, pencils and papers? We can write in the paper with the pens and pencils, but it is not necessary that we have to write with that only. But over here we cannot relate this one like that, so we'll include this one as all are different. So option number D, all are separate. Now question number 11, birds, crow and robin. Birds, crow and robin. Okay, so over here we can say that the crow is included in the birds, right? Crow obviously वो birds ही बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे जो robin लिखा है this is not the name of any children. This is the again the name of the bird, which is a American bird. Its name is American robin. Right? वो एक American bird ही है जो रॉबिन थर्ड वाला जो दिया है वो, डन. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन द बर्ड ओनली, डन. सो फॉर द 11th वन वी कैन ड्रॉ द फिगर लाइक that one. If this circle is for the bird, then crow is included in the bird and American robin is also included in the bird, right? But see, there are the space, that means crow और robin के अलावा भी बहुत सारे birds होते हैं. Done? Okay, so option number A is appropriate for this one. Okay, now last one. Question number 12. Passengers, bus and train. Okay. So over here we are considering that all the passengers are not take bus only, neither all take train only, and some of the passengers are that also कि जो बस भी नहीं लेते और ट्रेन भी नहीं लेते, either they go by the taxi or they go by the personal vehicles or by the walking only, simple. Then so for that we can make like the big circle for the passengers. Okay, see, this is for the passengers, this circle is for the passengers. Okay, now अभी ये जो सारे पैसेंजर्स है उसमें से इतने पैसेंजर्स वो वाले हैं जो बाय ट्रेन जाते हैं, राइट, और इतने पैसेंजर्स वो वाले हैं जो बाय बस जाते हैं, एंड द रिमेनिंग वन are either private or rickshaw or anything else. Then so this is the best appropriate option for that one, and it is option number D. Okay, so that's it for the Venn diagram. Okay, that's how you can do the Venn diagram. You just have to correlate each of the number with each other. Then, and if there is any kind of correlation, then you can draw the circle likewise. Okay, thank you.